Okie dokie. Looks like it's unboxing day finally. See if I can find something to stab with. Yeah, go with scissors. That looks like tetanus waiting to happen. Hope everybody's doing well. We are coming up on 100 subs. Actually, I think we're already there, so let me know in the comments below what we should do about that. Not sure why you watch these, but appreciate it. Okay, so this one's from Mining King. I bought this guy from him. Let's do a little bit of code violations here. Cut towards yourself, not financial advice. Make sure there's nothing doxing in here. Take it off the camera for a second. No love letter. Alrighty then. Throw that down there. Oh, see something besides a video card in here. What'd you do, big man? Look at that. That's gonna look good. Make sure this thing's still recording. My screen went out. Yeah, okay. We're still good. Thank you, buddy. We'll check out the Mining King. He's a cool dude. Got this little used A2000. Little spinny spin. Be putting him to work. Probably going to use it to transcode. I don't think we're going to. Yeah, we might abuse it a little bit. I don't know. Set that over there. I have a mess to clean up. This is from Parallel Miner. I didn't draw on it. The shipping at work had already opened it up, so we don't get to have that experience, unfortunately. But I left the rest of them sealed. There was a tracking tag on the top of it. It had a little doxing information, so hopefully there isn't any of these. Little fan over there. I'm going to move it, but it's 96. Let's see what my phone says here. It's actually dropped. It's 92 degrees outside, so it's 85 in here. Yeah, let's see what's in this one. So this came from Parallel Miner. Getting geared up. Got some ASICs and stuff. These were 99 cents, so USB-C to USB-C cables. Nothing too fancy there. I got 10 of them. And I got some 16 gauge. I have to test these out. 24-inch cables. Definitely not veteran miner quality, but they were $2.99. So always save money if you're going to burn your house down. That's what I say. Not financial advice. Alright, so we've got power supplies are probably in that big guy. Let's see what this one is. Alright, these were additional cables. I had 7 of those, so I grabbed them. Alright, this guy is the infamous ZSX Pro, I believe. A Pro, whatever. This is my first one. I've never had one of these, so we got some QR codes. I don't know if that matters or not, so I'm going to pull them out, put them face down. Hopefully before the camera sees them. Yeah. Well, scissors suck, as you can imagine. Alright, so we will stick those QR codes right there. I'm probably going to fill this in with some epoxy, because I don't ever plan on using it. If I have to do SATA, I'll figure something else out, but that's a light show I don't need. I don't like on standard things. If you make a standard plug, it ought to be wired standard. So keep that in mind if you ever put that on your endeavors. Alright, so we got some Ibum stuff. Stick all that with the other paperwork. This will be, they had one of these left. I'm going to see about flashing it and maybe reusing it. It's a 4X 32 gig SSD. So I'm thinking make that a virtual drive on one of my servers. Use it as a cache partition for the temporary file. Doesn't matter if it burns up, $19, so yeah, stick it over here for now. Put him with Mr. Boom Boom. Alright, so there's that. We got some other doodahs. That's probably, I have no idea, maybe driver update. Cool. And SFF bracket, in case you put it in a little computer. Who knows? Maybe one day. You're piling up? Yeah. This is the power supplies. It's got the weight to it. Alright. Not too deep. I know. Something that somebody said. Alright. So we take these. Put them there for now. This is a phenomenal deal if you ask me. Nobody did, but these are the Dell. I believe they had them advertised as Delta, but that's who Dell, I believe, uses for their OEM. Come on out of there. I got this weird LS26 plug, but they did come with the adapter. So for $15. Yeah, see, it's a Dell. I don't really want to show that. I don't think it matters, but this 1200 MB model will do up to 277 volts. Hefty little booger. Trying to find where it says. Probably got my finger on it. Kind of boogered up, but it's probably okay. I'll have to take these off because I have an octo miner that uses them, and these are going to be my spares. Yeah, right there, 1400 watt. So I'll have to look at all the pins really well. They look like they're fine. So I think I'm going to do that later. I don't think anybody's interested in seeing all these. Just make sure that they're alright. Just make sure they are. Nothing wrong with being paranoid though. Alright, I'm going to have to speed this up. It'll be an hour-long video. Scamazon. Let's see what's in the great Scamazon. Got a little bit of a tear, but it's not all the way through, so nothing should have fell out. Okay. Industrial Nauseous. Jim Nauseous. Noctua. Noctua. There's all kinds of ways to say it. I know which one is right, but I know which one I like to say the best. So me. Alright. Let's go there. Accounted for. Empty bucket. Alright. I think this guy needs no introduction. Hobbyist miner. I've been trying to get a Raspberry Pi to tinker with. I'm kind of torn on this one because this has a Raspberry Pi in it, but it's the 4 gig, so I've been shout out to Joe at Network Bits. I need to investigate. Are you a squirrel, buddy? Some crazy packing. Hey, It got here safe, so I ain't gonna complain. Kind of hard to break an aluminum brick anyway. So we got us a power supply. And a little, there we go. Little rack wireless. I want to make this a crank unit possibly. I've got the image file downloaded. Just gotta apply it and read up on it. I'm new to crank, so got us another sticker. That's awesome. Thank you, sir. I appreciate both of you for that. USB-C power. I was curious. Yes, it's 3 amps. I was going to use a PoE splitter to power that, but they're only 2 amps, so it probably don't use that much power, but I don't really like stressing things, so we may go back to the drawing board on that. Or I may just get a PoE splitter that does 15 watts. They make it. Alright, so this goes over here. Other package from the Great Bozo. Make sure there's not a packing slip. Alright. Be still in my warranty information. Alright, Panda had one of these that wasn't actually in the package, so alright, this one's sealed, so we're gonna have to cut this guy open. Hopefully it's in there. Survey says booyah. Okay. And it is, come on, eyes. I think I'm going blind. Okay, 2 terabyte. So we're good there. Thank you, Serpent. He posted a link. They had those on Amazon for $79 on the link that he posted from Tech Deals. So yay. These guys, if it ever gets here, these are for the KS0s. I ordered 2 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay. Alrighty then. So we got the KSO fans. We got the Hello Brain ASIC fans. I'll show you where those are in a minute. I plan on working on that today. The dude right there, Hawk Mining. Thank you, sir. I got these from him. 2080 Ti and 5700 XT. So let's see what we got up in here. Now that I ruined it, Lord, I apologize. Alright, so far so good. Boy, this guy, he worked like an animal on this deal. He got a whole bunch of GPUs, and he's been, I don't know how he sleeps. The man's always up doing something. Looks like we're here safe and sound. Pop this guy open. Slide out. Ooh, that's a chunky boy. Believe it or not, of all the GPUs I have, this is my very first Asus. I've always kind of shied away from Asus. Well, looks like a mean, lean mining machine. Blah, blah. They even still got the little plastic over the symbol there. 2080 Ti in the house. Good boy. Look at him. Supposed to be getting a rack. Full size rack. That happens. We're gonna clean that out over there. stick it in the corner. I think it was a little loose. I think we're okay with. Hopefully the universal package scramblers didn't get us. You know, I tried and tried to get one of these. Little panda flick for you. Forgot about this one, didn't I? I tried and tried to get one of these during the bull run, and they were just unobtainable. Yeah, I got a little bit of bracket bendation here, but that should be able to pull out. Shouldn't be a big deal. Let's see. Gotta love UPS. Yeah. Tweak more. Just have to be careful with that board. Undue stress. Yeah, we should be gold. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Alright. Yeehaw. I'm looking forward to playing with this one. Slide him out. Well, boys and girls, another assortment, so I think that's about it. I will, before I end this, I'll go ahead and grab the Nacit. We'll see about getting that ready. Oh yeah, we still got to get this guy put up one day. That's my solar charger. It's probably going to go over there in the corner. Got to redo the network. Yep. 96 degrees outside. We're going to fire up the more heat. Mr. Crypto McHale, this is the doodah. Just showed me my serial number. Oh well. But this is the guy that I'm gonna put Hive OS instead of Brains on mine. We'll see what happens with that. So before I hit these fans, I've got to. What is this anyway? Yeah, it's S9, not an I. But before I put the fans on it, we're just gonna fire it up and get it going with Hive OS, and then I gotta change. There's a setting in here you gotta change for water cooling, and once we enable that and bring the power limit way down, we can change these out for the Noctua and get her going. Appreciate everybody hanging around my silly channel. Hopefully I'll have more content in the future. If you're interested in winning something, comment down below within reason. Needs to be in the United States, unfortunately. I'm not rich enough to send things all over the world, but I think what we'll give away is one of these Chromebooks. Let's do that. I've got some to send to Panda, and I've got some to send to Rapid Mining as well, but I got to figure out the logistics on that. The international shipping is terrible. But I've got a bunch of these little old school. You'll need a power adapter and a Lenovo. The Lenovo adapter, I've been buying them at Wally World. They're like $19.99 a piece. But they're dual core, I think. Some of them have AMD, some of them have Intel processors. So comment down below if you want to win. We'll use the randomizer and give it away. Thanks again. Have a great afternoon. See ya.